Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida, southeastern Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located northwest of Anglin on the 4th space, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Impacted include light. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with the storm. Move indoors immediately. Nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time in the following counties in Florida, Okaloosa, and Santa Rosa. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect